Hey guys, uh, I'm here doing a video to show you guys the condition of Ranka Road, Ranka Bridge. It's a weak bridge. I've shown you before also in my content. If you haven't seen my content, please do check it out. Just look at the traffic jam over here. I think it's because of the tourist vehicle and the weak bridge. Maybe it's because of tourist vehicle the traffic jam has occurred. You know, it's quite serious. People had to wait more than an hour to get through this jam. Just imagine if someone were to be sick, if someone was ill, if someone was severely ill, how could they reach hospital due to this traffic jam? Just look at the traffic jam over here. Just look at the crowd. Just look at the crowd. Right there is one Zakri Falls, and the main culprit of this traffic jam is this bridge. The government of Sikkim hasn't maintained this bridge since like 20 to 30 years, so they haven't even constructed a new bridge. So if someone were to be seriously ill and if they had to go to the hospital, they're gonna die in the way. Oi, okay, thanks la. मैले फर्म भरे कि तेरो 500 जस्तो पुग्छ अझै म घर पुगेर दिन्छु तँलाई घर पुगेर दिन्छु क्यास दिइहाल्न छैन क्यास छैन यता होला त अहिले घर पुगेर दिन्छु ल क्यास छ क्यास भनेपछि जिपे नै गर्दैन भनेपछि 3 भए पनि गर्दैन ल I don't know what these guys are doing in this truck, but just look at the traffic jam. It's very, very, it's very, very irritating. If this traffic jam occurred daily, it's gonna get very, very irritating. In a hot and sunny day, people are sweating like hell. It's damn hot, and people are inside this car, inside their own vehicle. I know they are feeling very, very hot, but what can they do? We have some water here, but this water is kind of dirty, so but you can use it to like wash your hands and all. Traffic jam. Just look at the line of these vehicles. The line of this vehicle never ends. It's way up till that Soketang hospital. Way up till that Soketang hospital. So the passengers are getting quite exhausted just by waiting for this jam to open. I think the bridge of this Jakri Falls should be maintained. No, it should be destructed. It should be yeah, it should be demolished by professionals, and the government should construct a new one. Traffic jam le hera now. Duty. Oh, the government should construct a new bridge, two-lane bridge where two vehicles could pass easily. Right now, the bridge I just showed you before, only one vehicle can fit in that bridge. So that's the problem. The main problem is that at least a bridge should be constructed for two vehicles to crisscross and fit, not just one vehicle. So I urge the Sikkim government to take action as quickly as possible, because it's damn irritating to wait in this sunny day in a traffic jam. So please, I urge the Sikkim government to construct a new bridge. So I'm up till here. I showed you what's the problem, what caused the problem of this jam. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please do comment your thoughts on the comment below. What do you think about this traffic jam, and what do you think about this weak bridge of Jakri Falls? Should the government construct a new bridge, two-lane bridge, or should the government just repair this one-lane bridge? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.